Hello everyone, today I am going to explain my practicum number 6 electricity bill calculator using decision making statements in C. First, here is the code. This line includes the standard input output header file, which allows us to use functions like printf and scanf for displaying messages and reading inputs from the users. Next, inside the main of function, we declare three variables: units, bills, and extra charge. Units is for to store the how many electricity units the user has consumed, and the bill is to store the total bill amount. Extra charge to store an additional 10% charge if the bill crosses 1000 rupees. So here is the printf and scanf part. This part asks the user to enter the number of units consumed. The value is then stored in the units variable. So next we come to the main logic of the program, the decision making using if-else and if-else statements. So if the units are 100 or less, each unit costs 1.50 rupees. So the bill is simply units is multiplied by 1.50. Second condition is if the units are between 101 and 200, the first 100 units are charged at 1.50 rupees and the remaining units are charged at 2 rupees each. Third condition is if the units are between 201 and 300, the first 100 units are 1.50 rupees, the next 100 are 2 rupees, the remaining units are 3 each. Finally, the else part. If the units are more than 300, the rate becomes 5 per unit for everything above 300 units. So all the earlier slabs are added together with this rate. So now comes the extra charge condition. So the nested if-else. If the total bill is greater than 1000, the program automatically adds 10% extra as a surcharge. For example, if the bill is 1500, it adds 150 extra. So here the printf this lines displays final electricity bill on the screen. The modulo of 0.2f ensures the amount is shown with two decimal places like 70,565.00. At the end, this simply ends the program successfully, the return 0. So that's how the electricity bill calculator program works. It reads the units, applies different rates using if-else statements, adds on extra 10% charge when needed, and finally displays the total amount. Thank you.